Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. While vacationing in Puerto Vallarta, David and I tried a popular street food called Elotes. After our first bite, these ruin us forever! And now we're corn on the cob snobs! These tasty grilled Mexican corns are slathered with a gorgeous creamy mayo sauce and topped with a cotija cheese and cilantro mixture before being sprinkled with chili powder. Totally an OMG. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the sauce. In a bowl, we'll add mayo, and to make it from scratch, here's the link on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by crema, although it can be substituted with sour cream. Then a clove of garlic, freshly squeezed lime juice, as well as lime zest, some chili powder, plus ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely blended and set aside. Now, in another bowl, we'll combine cotija cheese, which is this one, and crumble it before adding a couple tablespoons of chopped cilantro. We'll mix it and set aside. Let's move on to the barbecue. We'll oil the grates with canola and bring the heat to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. When the temperature is reached, we'll place our cubs, close the lid, and grill them for 12 to 15 minutes, turning a quarter turn every 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, the husks are already removed, but if you want to grill the corn with them, read the blog to know how. When they're done, we'll brush the mayo mixture on the cubs, making sure to cover entirely, turning them around, and don't be shy to slather them with the sauce. This is what makes this recipe so yummy. Then we'll generously top with the crumbled cotija cheese and cilantro mixture before sprinkling on some chili powder, or if you prefer, use ancho chili powder. We'll serve them immediately with lime wedges. And my friends, these are our elotes. Incredibly tasty, this mouth-watering Mexican street corn recipe is absolutely delicious. Let me tell you, if you never tried them before, you're missing out on something fantastic. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!